Hello people. Well, I've put my van back together again now, but it was a bit of a headache trying to get information to fix this, so I just thought I'd still make a quick little video in case it helps anybody. So basically my airbags popped, had a little bump, and the car wasn't starting, and it's basically the pyro fuse. So if you look, this is under the driver's seat, there's the battery and this fuse box here, and in that fuse box there's a pyro fuse which looks something like that. That normally pops, it's a safety mechanism so you don't overload the circuits. So I've basically just changed that, but yeah, I couldn't really get too much information off the net how to do it, but a couple of people advised me and I've literally just done it. So anyway, procedure would be, I've actually taken the seat off the seat, that's the seat base, and basically yeah, so literally you had to take the seat base off so you get a bit more access through this top bit here, and it's quite awkward job, you know. It's good, easy, a bit easier if it's a bit shorter, but otherwise yeah, it's, so you literally take the seat base off and get the battery out, and once you've got the battery out, then you've got a couple of these screws here, TX40s or something, a couple of them there that hold the bracket on, that's them there, and that's what the fuse box is on. So there, release the bracket from there, then you got this nut here, and then you got another one of these nut screws on the other side, which is quite awkward to get to, but once the battery's out you can just stretch it and you can reach it. So once you take them two out, then you literally, the fuse box here, once them two are out, that one and the other one, and on the back of this bracket about near the center over here, once you can move the fuse box a bit forward, once them are out, and there's another two screws, they're like TX40s but they're basically the bolt size ones, any 10mm, 8mm will work on them, and you got them two out, and that releases the bracket, and then once the bracket's released, then you've got the fuse box and you can move it about, and then it's got loads of these wires underneath connected. There's about 4 on this side and about 4, 5 on the other side, and you can just, they're all like 10 mils or 13 mils basically, that's what I had to use. And once I took all the wires off, I made sure to mark each wire so I know where it's going when I put it back together. And then yeah, literally the fuse box itself, it's got these little clips here, you can just prise them off without breaking them. They are a bit fragile, so be a bit careful on them. They go all the way around the fuse box, you can take them off when it comes off, and then yeah, just change the fuse and then just work it back in reverse order. And just one pointer, on the other side of this fuse box there's a plug that goes on. When I put mine back together first time round, that plug got caught underneath the bracket, so be very careful with that. So I had to open it all back up again, take the bracket off to get the wire out, and then I put it back together now. And yeah, so just make sure them wires, them red big wires, are all numbered, so it makes it a lot easier. And yeah, just put it all back together and put the battery back in, fired it up, and it started now. So yeah, seems that'll do for now because my back's nearly broken. So yeah, now I've literally got to put the seat base back together and clean it up and reset the crash data, and yeah, new airbag. Anyway, thank you very much, hope it helps somebody or anybody, saves you some time. Thank you.